Hey, what's up you guys? Hope you're all having a fabulous day. So in this video, I'm gonna show you something that I made that turned out so cool. So I made a really jiggly, bouncy slime. Reminds me of those Barrel O slimes. I definitely did not expect it to turn out that way, so I'm gonna show you how I achieved that. So I started off with a jar of water, a drop of coloring, mix it all up. Now you don't want to add this much water. I'll tell you in a little bit why. When I was making this and filming this, I kind of was just going with the flow and experimenting. Then I added some white glue into the water directly, and it looks so cool on the sides. I find it so satisfying for me. So the reason why I said not to add so much water is because it's so full to the top, it could easily spill and make a mess. So just fill a little over halfway and that should be sufficient. So I went ahead with my activator. I'm using borax. I added a little bit at a time and just kept stirring. So just keep spinning, just keep spinning, just keep spinning. Okay, I'll stop. Like I said before, don't fill it up all the way because I had to pour out the excess water later and that's just not convenient. Once that's done, you can take the slime out, and at first it's going to be really gooey, but just keep playing with it and then eventually it will come together. Here's my theory on why I think it turned out so jiggly and so bouncy. One, maybe it's because I'm making it backwards, which is actually my initial goal. And two, maybe something about using a jar. It's tall and narrow, which is the reason why I used it in the first place. I really wanted to see the glue being poured in on the side, and with a bowl, you don't have much height. Because of that, you have less space, and therefore as you're spinning it, it probably absorbs the water way faster than using a bowl. I don't know, that's what I think. Normally when I make jiggly slimes, it's never this jiggly anyways. I wanted to make the clear version of this, so I tried it out with clear glue and I just repeated the same process as earlier. And this is kind of what I got. It's definitely not the same jiggliness. It does remind me of Jello. That's what it reminds me of. Not what I was looking for, but still really cool. That is it to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!